Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about the story behind creating this course. If you are interested in knowing the story about this course, then please go ahead. If not, you can skip this video. The story behind is I have a very good friend of mine. That person was not confident enough to, that I can work in this particular domain or not. The tool was something very much easy for them and for us also, and we actually worked on it, being on a different organization also, but we shared our knowledges on a person to person basis. There was a time when that person got demotivated and tried to skip their job, just leave it. That person actually left the job, and one day that person realized that skipping that job was the worst thing that can happen with himself. The pressure about the family, everything. So we are Indians. We Indians are pushed from our family from one corner to another corner to do something that we are not put up with. you know so we always have our family, and we are born and brought up in such a way that family is everything. So the same thing happened to that person as well. Being with a family and the responsibility, the person tried to do a lot of things but did not work. Then the person decided and got in touch with me again. So we were always in touch. So person told me that Ajay, I want to brush up my Qlik skills again. I want to start working in this tool again. No matter what, I will do anything possible. I agreed to it. Then I started creating a content where I understood that what is the need for a fresher to learn this tool, because I was a API developer. My story was a API developer. I was a freelance where I worked with a lot of people around just doing freelance. And with that experience, the web development skills was good enough for me to create, mashups, and understand the tool was the biggest challenge for me, because I thought like a web developer, and this tool actually works in a very different manner. This tool has his, parent, like I can just say a hierarchy structure. Like there is a Qlik view, which is still in 2023. People do prefer using Qlik view for some reason. They just don't want to go to Qlik Sense also. But I recommend this to everybody, that if you want to learn the tool, it doesn't really matters you actually work on Qlik view or Qlik Sense. It is the opportunity that you have to try to find, and you have to take it. I helped that person. I created this course content. I showed this course content, and that person was like, I'm not a fresher, buddy. And I was like, okay, I know that. But the problem is, there is a very long gap, like 6 to 7 months, you are not working on this tool. And when we actually took that decision, after fighting for 10-15 days, COVID happened. For 2 years straight, we did not had an option. The job market was down. Here in India, everybody was home. That person was locked into his house. I was locked into my house. That person got COVID staying home. I don't know how. I got COVID staying home. I don't know how. But yes, we dealt with it. we excelled. But in the first 6-7 months of COVID, we we actually brought this plan into the spotlight. That I was very keen to understand why this person is telling me I don't want to go with your course content. He that person only wanted to give a good interview, and based on that interview, a expectation was there that I want to earn this much, want this much because this is my expenses, and this is all set for him. But the problem was, it was not about the money, it was about the level of work uh, and the level of expectation that can be set from the organization. And I personally recommend that if you don't know anything in your interview, it's okay to tell the truth. Like in most of the interviews that I personally give, if I am not sure about something, I'll just bluntly say that, boss, I am not sure about this, yeah, but still I feel that this can be one of the solutions. So this video is for motivation also, and for my personal video, for my course publication also. I just want to publish this. I want to see what is the reaction. I want to understand that how and what is the level that a person can do. I just want to understand that. To do that, to understand that this course was made for freshers, and not just for freshers only. It can be used for brushing your skills, where you can force yourself to clear your bases again and again and give a solid interview. From this course onward, all the course contents, which includes this particular PPT, okay, which includes almost everything that is covered into this video, everything. I am putting this PPT up for free on Udemy. This will be for free. On my YouTube channel, the same video will be available, and this PPT will be there as well. So this PPT will guide you. If you don't want to buy this course also, it's fine. But still, if you want to, I feel this PPT is more than enough to guide you guys also. But I have tried to do a great work here, where I want to motivate more of the freshers to come to understand this tool and to use this tool, because I personally feel Qlik Sense, and I will take another tool name which is called as Microsoft Power BI. These two tools can do wonders if you use it correctly. Qlik Sense is made, or this is my personal prospect. Qlik Sense is for an organization which has a chunk of data, a large amount of data, because this works with the data naturally. This is very fast. And when it comes to Microsoft Power BI, I feel that is for some organization which doesn't has a lot of data. But the UI interface of Microsoft Power BI is slightly better than Qlik Sense, but Qlik Sense is in their own league and Power BI is in their own league. Yes, they both offer you cloud edition, they both offer you desktop edition, and they both offer you your enterprise edition. So every version, every license name also is, personally I feel it is very similar. So it's just the concept that you have to understand. Just clearing the concepts using desktop, understanding about the client manage, the functions that I have put up, the date functions, formatting, string functions, number functions, XYZ, and the life use cases. Only this, if you just learn it properly, a fresher can actually become kind of a good developer, I'll say, within months, within 2 or 3 months. With the person I was, the story actually belongs to a person, around that person. So when after a very long fight, like more, 15 days plus, and plus 30 or 40 days more, we decided that we will actually go with this course. And nights of nights and nights of COVID was there, and in the night we were connecting via Meet, and I just tried to teach him. I taught him, and that person just did yes, yes, yes. But in time, the first interview was done. He failed. That person failed. But in the next interview, he actually took my content seriously. We did it, and this time he actually cleared. Today, that person is in a very good organization, earning really very good, providing almost anything and everything a family can actually ask. So my story behind this is for that person. That person is a very good friend of mine, and today is Diwali. Diwali 2023, and it is a very big day for we Hindus. So on this auspicious day, I announce the course Qlik Sense Essentials for freshers and for anybody who will like to learn, understand, explore. Because in coming weeks or coming days, I might add some 1 or 2 more live cases over there. Or if you guys have some live cases, please share it with me. Please share the concepts of that, and I will try to put it into the live use cases. And this story is not just for that person. I'm very proud of that person today. Very, very proud. And this makes this course much more important for me. I do have a course on extensions, mashup, API, but that is my work. But this was done for a different person. That is a very big thing for a person like me. So I wish you all very good. So I wish you all very happy Diwali. May Lord Ram provide you with everything. May my Shiva give everybody the happiness what everybody requires.